want to install 3 things in this video, but the video will be separated. First thing is how you can install what we call the um, MINIO and also the NC toolkit, followed by the base row, because we need the 3. Instead of you be using someone else row, we are going to be using this. Now, without further ado, let us get started. So go to this link, the full guide on it. The link will be in the resources section below or the description below. This is how you are going to run it. If you are running it on a local network or on your Docker, on your main Docker, you are going to use this. But if you want to run it on your server, okay, on VPS, just copy it like this, like mine, copy it. And if you want to run it on your VPS, go to Contabo. Okay, we paste the link to you. Go to Contabo. The link will also be there. Okay, the link is also there. Just go to the Contabo. Is there. This is the Docker desktop. We want to go for the Docker desktop. And if you want to install on VPS 2, everything is already there. So let's go to MiniIO because we are going to need this. So don't forget to change this your password. Okay, change this your password is very, very important. So let's run this on my. So first thing is the Docker has not been okay. I think the Docker is already installed. So the first thing you have to do is to install your Docker desktop before you can start running anything. Okay, install the Docker desktop on your PC. Use this command, paste this one, followed by this command, followed by this command, followed by this command, followed by this command. As you can see, check the version. Make sure the version is latest version before you can start anything. Okay, so that is it for the, and also the anything is there if you want to install it too. So let's go for the Docker desktop as already. So this one is now running. To check, you can input the Docker ps to check whether it's running. Docker ps. Okay, it's going to show somewhere here, as you can see, Docker ps. Can you see it right now? Now, the next one will be installing our NCA toolkit. The NCA toolkit. Note that we have to install our Docker before we can install our NCA toolkit. Now, if you are running this on, if you are running this, okay, if you want to run this, make sure you have this thing running. You are going to get your IP address, okay? You are going to get your IP address, log in your IP address. So, what is the IP address we are using? I think it's running on the port of 900, if I'm not wrong. It's only on port of 900, if I'm not wrong. So it's going to be like this. It's going to show you something like this. And if your MiniIO doesn't show you something like this, just make sure, just know that is wrong. Okay. The password we used before, the password we are going to use, see, don't try to log in my account because I'm going to change it. Okay, so this is the password, the username and the password. Let's input this, and we have this one. Let's input this too, and boom, login. So the next thing is to create a bucket. Create a bucket. We are going to call the bucket NCA toolkit. Okay, NCA toolkit. That is for you to create the NCA toolkit, which will be for the next video. And this is what we are going to do for the next video. Create a bucket. After you have created a bucket, you have to do something. Click on the bucket and go to the access policy and click on public. Click on set, and boom, you are done with the NCA. We are done with the MiniIO of the thing. Next video, I'm going to show you how to run the NCA toolkit itself.